Today we are going to talk about Omnistream, a platform designed to help you stream live video professionally without lag. Many content creators, marketers, and business owners struggle with live streaming because technical issues like buffering, low video quality, or complicated setup can make the experience frustrating for both the streamer and the audience. OmniStream is built to simplify professional live streaming, giving you smooth broadcast and easy control over your live video. In this video, I will explain what OmniStream is, its key features, who it is best for, and how the lifetime deal works through AppSumo. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make tech tools easier to understand and help you to grow your online presence using smart platforms and simple methods. If this kind of content helps you, then make sure to subscribe this channel and also check the link in the description to explore OmniStream and any available lifetime offers. When you use the description link, any deal or special access, they will be applied automatically. So you don't need to use code or doing anything extra. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, OmniStream is a professional live streaming platform designed to provide smooth, high-quality broadcasts with minimal technical hassle. Instead of spending hours configuring hardware and software, OmniStream allows you to go live quickly and reliably. One of the most useful features is multi-platform streaming. You can broadcast your live video simultaneously on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch, and other platforms. This helps you to reach a wider audience without having to set up separate streamline for each channel. Another key feature is adaptive streaming. OmniStream automatically adjusts your video quality bitrate based on your internet connection. This ensures your audience gets the best possible experience without lag even if your connection is not perfect. The platform also supports professional productive tools. You can add overlay, text, logo, and lower thirds, and even switch between multiple camera angles. This helps your live streams like polished and engaging, making your content stand out. Another helpful feature is real-time analytics. You can monitor the viewership, engagement, and other key metrics while streaming. This helps you to understand your audience and adjust your content during the broadcast for better results. OmniStream is especially useful for content creators, marketers, educators, and business owners who rely on live video for engagement, webinars, product launches, or online events. It provides a professional streaming setup without requiring a technical team or expensive hardware. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal through AppSumo. OmniStream is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal, which means you pay once and you get the long-term access to the platform. This is ideal for anyone who wants professional live streaming without recurring monthly fees. The first year is usually suitable for beginners or small creators. It allows you to stream to multiple platforms, add basic overlays, and get the standard analytics. This is enough to start professional quality streams. The next tier, which is $198, this is better for growing creators or small businesses. So you can access higher quality video options, more customization features, and advanced analytics. This is helpful if you want to engage larger audiences and improve your live production. Higher tiers plan are designed for the professional broadcasters or teams. These plans include higher streaming limits, multi-camera setups, and priority supports, giving you more flexibility for bigger events or multiple simultaneous streams. If you want to stream live video professionally, avoid lag, and create high quality broadcasts that impress your audience, OmniStream can be a smart solution. You can check the lifetime deal through the description link and any available benefits that will be applied automatically without using any code. So overall, OmniStream is a beginner-friendly yet professional live streaming platform that helps creators, educators, and businesses to reach their audience smoothly, save time, and improve the quality of the live broadcast. So that's it basically for today's video, and that was about OmniStream and its lifetime deal on AppSumo. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.